So this is the Nearity Mempod Fit 2. It's similar to the Pro 2S, but this one is more like earbuds. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing them right now. So I wanted to see if I would think the same way about a different form factor or a different way to use it. So I emailed my contact at Nearity and they sent me a pair to test out. So a couple weeks ago, I received the box and this is it. And when you open it, it's very simple and it comes with two things. One, this charging cable, and then two, this is the case for the earbuds themselves. This is a battery charging case and all of that. So using the case, when it's fully charged, you can get about 45 hours out of both of these headphones. So the headphones itself, they take about 10 hours to go dead. So you can recharge both of them 4 times using this. So here's my experience. So the first thing I did was put them on, and you can see I'm still wearing them now. And these things are very lightweight. They weigh only 9 grams a piece. And the one thing they talk about is all day comfort. So I actually did that. I wore them all day. I've even fell asleep in these earbuds, and it's like you're not even wearing them. So the big difference between these and a lot of the other earbud type things that's out there is that these don't stick in your ears. You know, some people, those earbuds don't really fit or they hurt after a certain period of time. And then the over the ear ones, you know, that you wear like regular headphones, they get hot and you can't wear them that long. Well, this has an open ear design. So it just feeds the sound right into your ear canal. And honestly, I was able to wear these all day for days on end. So these earphones have Bluetooth 5.0 and they have a multi-point connection. So let me tell you how that worked. I was able to connect these headphones to my computer. I was able to open DaVinci Resolve, edit video, and listen to them through this. Then my phone would ring and I answered the phone and talked to a friend, hung it up and went right back to work. And after that, I wanted to have a little free time. So I fired up my gaming client and I gamed for a couple hours on the same laptop. And I'll tell you, the sound was very immersive. I mean, it sounded like I had on surround sound earphones. So I was very impressed with that. But I decided to put it to the test. So what did I do? I went outside, did a little hike through the woods. Okay, it really wasn't the woods, but it looks like the woods. So go take a look at that and then we'll meet right back. So I just filmed some footage using the Mempod Fit 2, and I really simulated a hike. I'm not really in the woods, but this is pretend woods. But here's the things that I noticed, that it was very lightweight. So I was able to walk all around this park and in the woods, and it felt like I didn't have on anything. The silicone, it was comfortable even though I sweated a little bit. It didn't feel like it was cumbersome to me. It didn't feel very uncomfortable. And they made this with an open ear design. So you can hear what's going on around you. And that is very important, especially if you're out in the woods or out on the trail by yourself. You need to be able to hear when danger is afoot, or if, you know, somebody nefarious is coming to do something, but you want to be able to hear that. Also with traffic, or if you're walking through the city, being able to hear is a huge safety concern when you use earbuds these days. And they have addressed that with the open ear design. Okay, everybody, come on in, bring it in. Time to come in from recess. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the Nerity Mempod Fit 2. One of the things that Nerity talks about with this is the fact that it's lightweight and comfortable. And as a matter of fact, they are 100% right. Listen, I wore this headset all day, every day for the past 3 weeks. I even went to sleep in it and I barely felt it. The comfort level is high. You don't even recognize that you have on the headset. Battery life on this headset is insane. Insane. Now, they tell you that it can get about 10 hours, and I squeezed out every bit of that. I don't know what they have in there, like some plutonium or something crazy like that, but it is in there and it is good and ready to go. The way that it switches the multi-port connections, I thought that was really good because, all right, so this is what I did. I connected the headset to my computer. I used it to edit video. I got a phone call, answered the phone. It jumped over there, hung up the phone, it jumped back to edit video. Then when I was done with that, I fired up my game and I was able to play video games on my computer with the headset on. And believe it or not, I was surprised, like it sounded so good. Like the spatial parts of the video game, like when the sound is coming from the left, you hear it over there. On the right, you hear it over there. So it was really good. Now, speaking of that sound, that is one of the things that I did have contention with. When you listen to music, you can't really hear the lows that well. I intentionally tried to listen to songs that was a little bit bass heavy, things like that, and I could not hear it the right way. But I'll tell you this, YouTube videos, audiobooks, spoken word, video games with like spatial things, all of that, it performed phenomenally. But listening to music, I had a little bit of trouble. If you're the type of person, depending on the type of music you listen to, if you need less bass and more clarity to come through, then you have that. Amazingly clear. But the low notes, it didn't quite pick up. And I think that was from the construction of the earpiece. This is what I mean. What I think needs to happen is that, you know what? Let me show you. When I take these out, look at this. I'm gonna hold it up close so you can see. Hold on. Now, so we're here, right? So you see that? So you see how you have a speaker there and then one on the bottom? All right, so the way this fits, you can see, let's see if we can line it up so you can see. All right, so you see how it's straight on, like it's straight. What I think needs to happen is this needs to angle in a little more, like that. And if it angles in, then it places the speakers closer to the ear canal, and I think you would pick up those low sounds and things like that. That would be the only thing that I think that would help us to get a better sound from music, like with the lows and everything, because what I noticed with earbuds, they fit directly in your ear canal, so you can hear all of the lows. There is one thing that I need to talk about, and I'm being honest here. When I do reviews, I want to tell the good and the bad. I told you all of the good. Now here is another part that was an area of contention for me, and that is the call quality and the microphones. I used it to answer my phones and it switched perfectly, did everything it's supposed to do. The people that I were talking to, they reported that my voice sounded a bit distant and a bit tinny. And I think that's because the microphone is so far back, like in your ear, that it doesn't pick up the way it's supposed to. And in order to test that, I connected it to my computer via OBS, and I recorded a clip just so I can hear what it sounds like using a mic connected to something else. And I got the same thing. All right, so let's talk about some recommendations for this. I don't have very many. I just told you one. Just to angle that earpiece in a little bit so it fits more into your ear. It fits snugly, it's comfortable, all of that is good. The only other thing that would be a problem, and it's not really a problem, it's just a personal gripe for me. This charge case is big. So like if you're carrying it in your pocket, it takes up a lot of space. So it's big. But if you are a professional, you probably have a bag or a briefcase or something that you toss these in or leave them on a desk. So that's why it's not that big of an issue. Do I recommend the Nerity Mempod Fit 2? I think it depends on what you're going to use it for and if you're an audiophile or not. So let's talk about that. Now, if you're going to use this for like online meetings or listening to spoken word type things, hey, this is good. If you're an audiophile, you're going to be disappointed because the sound is not going to be where it is. But if you are an audiophile, you're not looking at this anyway. It is serviceable. It's not something that you're going to be upset about. It's not going to be podcast quality. That's not happening. but that's just my opinion. Now, you might want something different. You might like something better, and that's up to you. But I will say, as a set of athletic type headsets and headphones, you can't beat this. Like, the quality for this is good. It's constructed well, it sounds well, it's comfortable and light. It switches and it does everything they say it's gonna do. So I can't tell you whether to buy this or not, but if you're interested in buying this, I have a link below where you can purchase it. All right, that's it for me. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. I have something exciting to review, and you might want to see it. But in the meantime, you can watch something else. I have like this, look, from Nearity. It's a cool, good mic. So check out that video over there. And anyway, you know how this is. I love you and God loves you. So everybody have a blessed day.